Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am doing a mini Stay Quirky haul. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So without further delay, let's get started. So this is the Stay Quirky products which exclusively available in purple.com only, and these are newly launched products which I bought recently. If you want to buy this product, please go and check out purple.com website. So the first product which I bought from purple.com is a, Stay Quirky Badass Eyeliner. Uh, it has also written a nice quote which say look to glam to give a damn, and the shade number is Badass Blue number 2. And the price of this product is 175 rupees, but I get discount in this product and I purchased this product at rupees 112, and the quantity of this product is 5 ml, and the shelf life of this product is 2 years from packaging, and all the ingredients are mentioned here. The outer packaging is a nice cardboard box, and the inner packaging is look like this, and the color is royal blue, and the pigmentation is also nice. It is water resistant but not waterproof. It is available in different shades like green, black, golden, silver, copper and red. So you can choose your favorite color from this range easily. And the second product which I have is a Stay Quirky I Love You Too Kajal. It claims that it is water resistant, smudge proof, dermatologically tested, and the quantity of this product is 0.35 gram, and the price of this product is 199, but I bought this kajal in rupees 128, and the shelf life of this product is 3 years from packaging, and there is no ingredients are mentioned in this kajal. So this is the only con of this product. And this kajal come in nice cardboard box, and inside the kajal look like this. The packaging is nice, and the color of the kajal is jet black in color. The pigmentation of this kajal is very nice and it glides easily. It works what it claims, so it is water resistant and smudge proof. And the next product which I have is a Stay Quirky Badass Matte Lipstick, and the shade which I have bought is a Want to Get Messy 24, and the price of this product is 275, but I bought this product at 165, and the quantity of this product is 4.2 gram, and the shelf life is 2 years from packaging, and all the ingredients are mentioned here. It also come in cardboard box packaging, and inside the lipstick look like this. The lipstick is packed with a thin plastic sheet, as you can see here, and the outer packaging of this lipstick is black matte square bullet type, and it has a classy packaging. I like it. The lock of this lipstick is also very secure, as you can see, and the swatch of this lipstick is here. It is pretty nude pink kind of shade, which I totally love. It is comfortable matte lipstick. It glides easily and it has creamy matte finish and stay on your lips for 3 to 4 hours easily. But if you eat oily food, it fade away from your inner part of your lips and you have to reapply it. This lipstick has 78 shades from which you can choose your favorite shades easily. So they have variety of shades like nude, brown, pink, red. So you can choose easily your shades from the purple.com website. And the last product which I have is a Stay Quirky nail polish. Shade number is 135 and the name of the shade is The Girl in the Brown. The quantity of this product is 6 ml and the price of this product is 88 rupees, but I bought this product as 59 rupees. The shelf life of this product is 36 months from packaging. This nail polish come in transparent glass bottle with a black cap and the shade name is written over there. This is pretty brown color which I am wearing now. You can see. This is the shade. And they have, I think, 180 shades available in different color. So that's all product I have from Stay Quirky, and if you want to shop, please go and check purple.com website. So hope you like my mini Stay Quirky haul. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any doubt and question regarding this all product, please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.